Hello dear students, in this video we will solve question 4th 5th part of exercise 3.5. Let us start the question. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 3 units. This is our first condition. And in second condition, if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of a rectangle. Dimensions means we have to find the length and breadth of a rectangle. Now, let the length of rectangle is x units and breadth of rectangle is y unit. So, all of you know that area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. So, x multiplied by y, the area is xy. Now, according to first condition, we are given that if length is reduced by 5, our length is now x. It is reduced by 5, so we have to subtract 5 from length. This is new length and breadth is increased by 3. So breadth is increased by 3, so add 3 to breadth. This is new breadth and this is new length. Length multiply breadth is area. So area is equal to the area is xy. And we are given that area of rectangle gets reduced by 9. This is area of rectangle whose length is x and y. This area is reduced by 9. So subtract 9 from area of, this is area of new rectangle. Now solve these equations. Firstly, x is multiplied by both terms. Write it as x is multiplied by y plus 3. Now minus 5 is multiplied by again second term y plus 3. Second equation. Always break the one term. Now xy minus 9. X is multiplied by y, xy written as x is multiplied by 3, 3x minus 5y minus 15 equal to xy minus 9. If xy cancels because it is in equal, placed in equal, so both are cancelled. Now remaining terms are 3x minus 5y minus 15 minus 9 when goes to left side changes sign and equation equal to 0. 3x minus 5y minus 6 equal to 0. This is first equation. Now according to second condition, we are said that if we increase the length by 3, now length is x, it is increased by 3, so add 3. This is new length. Now and breadth is by 2 unit. Breadth is also increased by 2 unit, so add 2. This is new rectangle whose length is x plus 3 and breadth is y plus 2 and area is equal to, then its area is increased by 67 from this rectangle. Now area of this rectangle is xy. Area is increased, so xy plus 67. Now solve this. Firstly, x is multiplied by y plus 2. Again, second term of this equation is plus 3. Plus 3 is multiplied by y plus 2 equal to xy plus 67. Now x is multiplied by y, xy. X is multiplied by 2, 2x. 3y plus 3 to the 6. Xy equal to 67. Xy cancels both from both sides. Now 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 67 equal to 0. This is written as 2x plus 3y minus 61 equal to 0. This is second equation. Now solving first and second equation for getting the value of x and y. Now x, y 1. Now write the second term's coefficient of y. Here is -5 and 3 in second equation. Now constant terms -6, -61. Then coefficient of x 3, 2. Then repeat this term -5 and 3. Now make the signs like this. Now taking first two terms. Now -5 is multiplied by 61. So 305 minus, write it in bracket, -18. Now -6 plus 2 -12. Write the sign of minus. Then 183 in bracket. 3 3 is 9 minus -10 in bracket. Now solve this. Now x upon 323 y upon 171 1 upon 19. This is first term, this is second term, this is third. So the value of x taking first and third term. First and third, x upon 323 is equal to 1 upon 19. Now x is equal to 323 goes here. So write the 323 upon 19. It is, by simplifying, we get value of x is 17. Now from second and third, second is y upon 171 1 upon 19. Similarly, y is equal to 171 right here. 171 upon 19. It cancels on 9. So y is equal to 9 and x is equal to 17. Length of rectangle is 17 units and breadth of rectangle is 9 units. These are dimensions of a rectangle. Now question third of exercise 3.5. Solve the following pair of linear equations by substitution method and cross multiplication method. Both equations are solved by substitution method also and cross multiplication method also. Now firstly we solve it by cross multiplication method. By cross multiplication method. Now write the equations. 8x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Similarly 3x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Write here x, y, 1. Now write the second term, that is 5, 2, minus 9, minus 4, 8, 3. Then repeat the second term, 5, 2. Make the arrows like this. Now x upon minus 20, minus is in formula, write the next term in bracket, minus 18. Y upon minus 27 minus 32. Same y, 1 upon plus 1 here. 1 upon 16 minus 15. X is equal to x upon minus 20 plus 18. Y upon minus 27 plus 32. 1 upon 16 minus 1. Now x upon minus 2. Y upon 5. 1 upon 1. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. For solving the value of x from 1 and 3 term. From first and third, x upon minus 2, 1 upon 1. So x is equal to minus 2 here. Write down minus 2 upon 1, that is minus 2. This is value of x. For value of y, second and third term. y upon 5 is equal to 1 upon y. By cross multiply, either you can write 5 here. Y is equal to 5 upon 5 multiply 1 upon 1, that is 5. So x is equal to -2 and y is equal to 5. These values are getting by cross multiplication method. Now this question is also solved by substitution method. So write the equations: 8x minus 5y equal to 9. Again 3x plus 2y equal to 4. These are given equations. Now we have to find the value of x and y by substitution method. In substitution methods, we always write one variable in terms of other from any equation. Now I am taking second equation from 2, that is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Now taking any variable, in left side I am writing 2y is equal to 4 minus 3x. Y is equal to 4 minus 3x upon 2. Now we write the variable y in terms of x. This is third equation. Now in substitution method, we always substitute this value in another equations. That is, now we substitute this value in first equation, because we are getting this value from the second equations. We have to put in another equation, that is first equation. Now substitute the value of y in now equation. Which equation? First equation. Now first equation is 8x plus 5y equal to 9. Now substitute the value of y, 5. Here write the value of y, 4 minus 3x upon 2 equal to 9. Now 8x, 5 is multiplied by each term. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. X upon 2 is equal to 9. Now solve these equations by taking LCM 2. So right here is 16x plus 20 minus 15x is equal to 9 upon 1. Now by cross multiply, 16x minus 15x, that is x, plus 20 upon 2 is equal to 9 by 1. Now by cross multiply, x plus 20 equal to 18. X is equal to 18 minus 20, that is minus 2. Now for finding the value of y, substitute value of x in third equation. Now substitute the value of x in equation third. Equation third is this. Now 4 minus x is minus 2 upon 2. 4, 3 2 are 6 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2. Our value is 5. Now x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. We find these value by substitution method. Thank you.